See that shape in the water? That's a shark cruising right behind people who have no idea it's there. We're at Pensacola Beach Pier on Florida's Emerald Coast, and I dropped a GoPro underwater to see what's really beneath your feet under the pier. Most people on the pier never see this part of Pensacola Beach. It's a nurse shark siesta. Wait for something big, it's still to come. And then, out of nowhere, this curious nurse shark cruised right up to and past my camera. The nurse shark is one of the most common species around Florida piers. These docile bottom dwellers can grow 10 to 14 feet, but stay calm around divers. They use powerful suction to feed on crustaceans and small fish, mostly at night. They're rarely a threat unless provoked. From atop the pier, you may just see dark shapes, but underwater, you see how close these sharks really are. Want to try a GoPro drop yourself? Scan the QR code on the screen or follow the link in the description to find the camera and accessories. Planning a Pensacola Beach adventure? Scan the QR codes on screen or check the description links below, places to stay and to book your tours. Today, we have taken a view of Pensacola Beach that few have seen. For more Florida coastal adventures, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love Florida beaches.